Gearheads. There's a new challenger rising in the off-road SUV arena, and it's setting its sights on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. The 2025 Nissan Patrol is gearing up to be a beast, and Nissan is making some bold claims. Nissan CEO, Ashwani Gupta, isn't mincing words. He says the 2025 Patrol will not only match the Land Cruiser's features but surpass them in every way. They're confident this will be the best Patrol ever, the undisputed king of off-road SUVs. So far, details on these superior features are scarce. We know the Patrol will share a brand new platform with the Infiniti QX80, promising a rock-solid foundation for tackling tough terrain. This revised base should also make the Patrol even more capable off-road, with increased strength and rigidity. The 2025 Patrol won't just be a brute, it'll be a brainy one too. Nissan promises cutting-edge technology, including an improved all-wheel drive system and an adjustable air suspension. Imagine conquering any obstacle with the perfect balance of power and control. The 2025 Patrol is expected to hit Japan early next year, with North America and Europe following suit. What features will truly set it apart from the Land Cruiser? We expect a suite of advanced driver assistance systems to enhance safety, along with more powerful and fuel-efficient engines. Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, the off-road SUV game is about to get even more exciting. The 2025 Nissan Patrol is shaping up to be a serious contender, and the Land Cruiser better watch its crown. Let us know in the comments below, are you excited for the 2025 Nissan Patrol? What features are you most interested in? And who do you think will reign supreme, the Patrol or the Land Cruiser?